Welcome to Aqua Platycodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Artificial intelligence is evolving fast, and some people think it's already making its own decisions. But let's take a step back. Does AI really make decisions, or is that just clever marketing? Take AI and cybersecurity, for example. Companies love to say AI can detect threats, stop hackers, and keep systems safe autonomously. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the truth. AI doesn't decide anything. It suggests things. It finds potential threats, flags them, and waits for human confirmation before taking real action. In short, it's an assistant, not a commander. Why? Because AI makes mistakes, and companies can't afford those mistakes at scale. Imagine an AI automatically blocking entire networks because it thought an employee logging in from another country was a hacker. Or worse, shutting down critical systems because it got confused by normal operations. That's why human oversight is always needed. And let's be real, do AI developers and engineers really trust AI enough to let it take full control? Think about their mortgages, their paychecks, and their kids' tuition fees. Do you think they'd risk their jobs, their reputations, and their livelihoods on an AI system that could misfire at any moment? Of course not. AI is impressive, but even the people building it know its limits. So, if AI isn't actually in charge, why do companies market it that way? Simple. It sounds futuristic, sells more products, and attracts more investment. Saying AI assists security teams doesn't have the same hype as AI stops cybercriminals in real time. But in reality, no company trusts AI enough to let it run security by itself. The same applies to AI in business decisions. No company is letting AI replace CEOs, yet. AI analyzes data, provides predictions, and makes recommendations. But humans always have the final say. Because when things go wrong, someone needs to take responsibility. And right now, AI isn't capable of standing in court or apologizing in a press conference. So let's clear this up. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not autonomous. It's here to enhance human capabilities, not replace them. The real decision makers? Still us. And unless something changes dramatically, that's not going to change anytime soon. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Aqua Platycodon. See you in the next one.